about to clean up our aquarium when we noticed a few strange transparent blobs sticking on the wall of the aquarium. Then I remembered reading in one of the library books that they could be snail eggs. I had to put it under the microscope to find out what they were. I scraped one of the blobs and put it on the slide. I decided not to put a stain on it. Then I put the slide cover on top of it. Then I put it on the microscope with the lowest magnification, and guess what I saw? Yes, they were indeed snail eggs. There were probably 20 of them in that blob. But guess what else I saw swimming in that blob? It looked like some kind of worm. After doing some search in Google, that worm looked like a roundworm. I also noticed few other tiny particles. What could they be? Let's magnify a little bit. Oh wow, they look like some other types of worm or single-celled organism. There are 2 to 3 of them swimming around the snail egg. After doing some more search in Google, they looked like planarian flatworm, but I could be wrong. Anyway, let's look at the snail egg a bit closer. Did you notice that tiny dark round thing floating inside the egg? That is a baby snail. It has not fully taken the shape of the snail because it is still growing. When it is fully grown, the egg will hatch and the newly born snail will start swimming in the aquarium just like its parents. How cool is